Hey, you guys and girls, and thank you for watching another episode of the Xbox Tester. My name is Maurice. Today we are going to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on Xbox Series S. The reason why I'm going to do another video on Red Dead Redemption 2 is two things. First of all, my first video was my first video, so I recorded that with a Twitch stream, and yeah, the quality is not that good as it is right now. So yeah, I wanted to give this game another chance, and I had a lot of people asking if I could do the Saint Denis area, and I looked into it, and I heard a lot of people on the original Xbox One and Xbox One S complaining about a lot of frame drops, especially in that area. So, yeah, let's get into it. First of all, let's see how much data the game is on your hard drive. And that's a whopping 122.6 gigabytes. So that's pretty steep. The game right now is on Game Pass, but if you are watching this in the future, it could be out of Game Pass, so keep that in mind. So if you want to play it right now after watching this, you can download it from your Game Pass subscription. There are no compatibility options. The game is not optimized for Xbox Series S or X, so it's still the Xbox One version that runs backwards compatible on your Series S. Keep that in mind. It's not the Xbox One X version, the One S version. That version ran at, if I'm correct, 864p 30 FPS. So keep that in mind. The game is not optimized. Oh, and you guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot for me, and it means even more for the channel. You're really helping me out. And yeah, you can also follow me on Twitter if you want. That's at the Xbox Tester. So pretty simple. Yeah, it's still one of the most played games on the system. Let's be honest. Next to GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption is really big, and it's my first video was even is even one of the most viewed videos I've got on my channel. It almost has like 100,000 views, almost somewhere in that range. I don't even know exactly, but a lot of people were, yeah, curious about how this game would run on the Xbox Series S. So finally, I can do a better video on that game. I'm normally not that into making new videos every 6 months or a year if I already did a video. So it didn't got any better since last time. So, but yeah, here we are in Saint Denis. Still, yeah, it's still nighttime. That's a little bit. Eh. What's the time? 3:47. Oh, that's not. Oh, okay, I can wait for that. That's not that bad.
Hello.
So we can get a sunrise. Um, let's pick my. Where's my horsey? Horsey.
Open
This
your
is my
eyes,
noble
fool.
steed, Jeroen.
Watch it.
Yeah, this is Jeroen.
Come on now, boy.
Called him after one of my friends where I'm always playing with. He's also a noble steed. If you are watching this. Yeah, okay. But yeah, this is the Saint Denis area of the game. So yeah, the game runs at 30 FPS, and good thing to know, it runs pretty stable
How do you do?
on the Xbox Series S at 30 FPS. Can you see that the resolution is pretty low? Yeah, definitely. Does the game still look great? Yeah, also definitely. It's a beautiful game to look at, and just to, yeah, walk through and run through and do all the things you want. Even a little bit misty right now. But that's also a good thing when it's a little bit dark. Then you can see the light effects much better. And that's also a thing about these games. And that's something Rockstar is the master of. Making game worlds that feel alive. This world feels so much alive. Such an insanely beautiful game to look at. One of the best looking games of the last years. So I really hope, and I know GTA 5 is going to get a new gen upgrade. Oh, there's a trolley or old tram. Will get a new gen upgrade. So I really hope the people at Rockstar also gonna give Red Dead Redemption 2 the same kind of love, because I would love to play this game at, for instance, 1080p 60 FPS or something like that on the Series S. And of course 4K 60 if it's possible on the Xbox One X. But yeah, but by the looks of it, yeah, it all runs pretty well. Is it pixelated? Yeah, definitely.
Chinese people. You won't see any more of my money.
I'm just going to run around a little bit here and there. Oh, darn it. Come on, Jeroen. Jeroen, don't walk away. Hey, buddy. Buddy, come back. Come on, you can do it.
Everything all right?
You are my buddy. Ah, when I'm whistling, my dog also comes over.
Okay.
Want to be in the video too? No, come. Come here. Come. This is my little noble steed. This is Youpie. Say hello to the people on YouTube. Come on, hello. Yeah. Oh, I'm the best. I know. I'm the best. But yeah, leave me alone, boss man. Oh, you want to sit? Okay. He wants to sit here. No problem. Oh, almost another accident.
You want something from me?
But yeah, by the looks of it, it runs pretty well. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's better, right? Oh, come on, lay down. Come on. No, he doesn't want to. That was Youpie. Still a little bit foggy. But yeah, we're in the bayou. And I even found a little bit of ghosting here and there. It's very subtle, but I did find a little bit of ghosting here and there. Even on Series X, by the way. But yeah, the frame rate is super stable here in Saint Denis. And it looks pretty good. Look at all the... just insane. How much work, how much detail guys from Rockstar can put in to these kind of games. It's just insane. Probably one of the best games ever made. And even Red Dead Redemption 1 still holds up. I already did a video on Red Dead Redemption 1, and also that game looks still looks beautiful. Just insane. And the loading times are awesome. Look at these trees. It's also something I always look forward to. Trees are moving. Look at this. Oh, that's pretty insane how it looks. But you definitely need to watch this video on a big screen. If you're watching this on your mobile phone or anything, yeah, it looks 10 times better. Look at these houses. So much work got into this game. One of the best looking games on the system. What's this?
Excuse
Hello,
me.
ma'am.
Can I bother you for a minute of your time? Can I tell you
What
a
do
little
you
about what we're
have to
doing
say?
here?
Sure.
Less than a minute, I promise. We're trying to raise money to build an expansion to the Quincy Harris Memorial Hall, a shelter for homeless veterans and their families. Can you help? A donation
Yeah, you can
of
definitely see the
$20
resolution
would
is
put
pretty
us
low.
well on our way.
Here's $20.
$20 ain't no chicken feed, but sure, I can help you out.
That's very kind. What is your name, sir?
No problem, ma'am.
Your donation will be acknowledged on a founder's plaque when the building is completed. You have a great
Mr.
day,
Morgan.
Mr. Morgan.
Look at the architecture. It's insane. Still amazes me how good this game looks. But yeah, oh my goodness gracious. Would it be something if they put in a 60 FPS mode in this game? Can't wait for it. Then I'm probably going to play it again. But yeah, no stuttering, no strange things. It definitely runs better than it did on the Xbox One and Xbox One S. So, yeah, I would say go check it out. It's on Game Pass right now, and yeah, it's almost every week there's some kind of discount for this game. So, yeah, definitely go check this this game out. It's a must-play for every gamer, I think. If you like open world games, then this is a must-have, must-play. I really want to thank you people for watching this video on Red Dead Redemption 2. And hopefully, till next time. Bye-bye.